Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and decontaminating the damaged panel so tools contact paint, not grime. Once clean, tape off adjacent trim and lights to protect them. You should test a small 1 cm area to confirm scratch depth. Determine if clear coat only or base coat involvement. Then use a clay bar to remove embedded contaminants. This ensures compounds and sandpaper cut evenly. Make sure to dry with a lint-free microfiber before moving on. Don't skip this, it prevents swirl marks. Once you've identified clear coat damage, wet sand gently with 1000 to 2000 grit paper, keeping the area wet so you remove minimal clear coat. After leveling, switch to a rubbing compound applied with a dual-action polisher at low to medium speed. This refines the sanding haze. Now change to a finer polishing compound to restore gloss. Work in overlapping passes and inspect after each pass under strong light. Make sure to blend edges into surrounding paint so the repair is invisible. If the scratch reaches base coat or primer, you'll use touch-up paint matched to the vehicle code. Apply in thin layers, letting each layer flash fully before adding the next. Once built up slightly above surrounding surface and cured, wet sand smooth, then polish to blend. Finish by sealing with clear coat or a quality paint sealant or wax. If color match, texture, or adhesion problems appear, stop and consult a professional. They can avoid worsening blotches and ensure a durable color match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.